Official data has indicated a surge of freight volume at major ports between China and Russia this year. According to the Heihe municipal government, from January to May, the total value of import and export of Heihe City and Heihe Port both exceeded 10 billion yuan. The total value of import and export of Heihe City's foreign trade increased by 71% year-on-year, including export growth of 973.2%, and the total value of import and export of Heihe Port increased by 163.1% year-on-year. According to the China Railway Harbin Group, the largest land port on the China-Russia border, Manzhouli, in the Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region, recorded 10.09 million metric tons of imports and exports in the first half of this year. The figure represents 46.1% growth year-on-year and a record high. The Manzhouli station has optimized its transportation and customs clearance processes in cooperation with customs and other local departments to ensure the smooth delivery of goods. In the first half of this year, there were 2,338 and 416 China-Europe freight trains running at Manzhouli Railway Port and Suifenhe Railway Port, both of which hit a new record.